In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Copilot in Windows 11. To do this, we need to update our Windows. So we have to go to your search bar and search for Windows Update and download the latest update. So as you can see here, I already downloaded mine. So I just need to restart my computer. So just go ahead and click the restart button right here, and then wait for it until you finish restarting. So now we have restarted our computer. What we need to do is enable the update. To do this, we will be needing a program. So we have to go to our browser, and then in your search bar, type in Vibe Tool and select the GitHub website. And once you're here, you just scroll down and then click the second one to download the Vibe tool. And once you're done downloading the Vibe tool, you need to put it in your desktop options. So right here, this is our Vibe tool. So you just have to right click the folder and select extract all. Then click extract again. And there you go, you have successfully extracted your Vibe tool. So what we need to do is right click this folder and then select copy as path. So by doing this, we have copied the file location of our Vibe tool. So next, we need to open our CMD or command prompt. So in your search bar, just type in CMD and then run as an administrator. So in here, we need to type in CD forward and then paste to copy the file location and then press enter. So now we have copied the Vibe tool program. Now to enable Copilot, we need to type in this command. So just type in Vibe tool space /enable space /ID. So I'm just going to put it here and then copy it in your CMD windows. And then we're done here. Just close this window, and then we need to restart our computer again to apply the changes we've made. And once you're done restarting, you will now see here your Copilot. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.